Are you looking to make money today? Welcome to a universe brimming with potential, where the currency is creativity and the reward, financial freedom. We're about to explore a treasure trove of ideas that could kickstart your journey to multiple income streams. In this age of endless opportunities, it's easier than ever to cultivate a garden of wealth. From the digital marketplace to the stock exchange, we're covering it all. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting money-making ideas you can start today. First up on our list is dropshipping, a business model with minimal startup costs. Let's break it down. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Pretty neat, right? What makes dropshipping so attractive, especially to new entrepreneurs, is its accessibility. You're not required to have a physical store or even keep any products on hand. Essentially, you're the middleman between the customer and the supplier. So, how do you get started? Well, the first thing you need is an online store. There are many platforms out there to choose from, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and provide various templates and tools to create a professional-looking store, even if you're not a tech wizard. But having a store isn't enough. You need to find a profitable niche. That's where your business acumen comes into play. You need to find a product or a category of products that are in demand, but not oversaturated. This could be anything from eco-friendly products to trendy gadgets. The key is to do your research, understand your target market, and find a product that resonates with them. Now, let's talk money. The potential earnings from dropshipping can vary greatly. It depends on the product you're selling, the price you're selling it at, and the volume of your sales. The beauty of dropshipping is that the overhead costs are low, which means the potential for profit is high. And the benefits? Well, aside from the low startup costs and potential for high profit, dropshipping provides a flexible business model. You can operate from anywhere with an internet connection, work at your own pace, and scale your business as you see fit. With dropshipping, you can start earning money with minimal investment and risk. Next, we have freelancing, a flexible way to earn money using your skills and talents. It's a fantastic option if you're looking for a way to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your work life. Freelancing is an umbrella term that encompasses a wide range of services. You could be a freelance writer, designer, software developer, photographer, or consultant, among many other things. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to leverage your unique skills and interests to carve out your own niche in the marketplace. Now, you may be wondering, how do I get started? The first step is to identify your strengths and passions. What are you good at, and what do you enjoy doing? Once you have a clear idea of your service offering, you can start marketing yourself. Build a portfolio showcasing your work, create a compelling website, and leverage social media platforms to reach potential clients. One of the main benefits of freelancing is the potential for high earnings. Unlike a traditional job where your salary is fixed, as a freelancer, you set your own rates. This means that the more value you can provide to your clients, the more you can charge for your services. But it's not just about the money. Freelancing also offers an unparalleled level of flexibility. You can work when you want, where you want, and how you want. No more commuting, no more rigid schedules, and no more answering to a boss. You're in charge of your own destiny. It's also worth noting that freelancing can be a stepping stone to other entrepreneurial ventures. Many successful business owners started out as freelancers, using their freelance work as a launching pad to build their own companies. So, if you're ready to take control of your work life, consider freelancing. It's a viable, lucrative option that allows you to utilize your skills in a way that suits you best. Freelancing allows you to earn money while doing what you love. Our third idea is investing in stocks, a proven way to grow your wealth over time. Now, don't be alarmed. Stocks aren't as scary as they seem. They are essentially a piece of a company that you own. When the company does well, so do you. It's like being a silent partner in a bustling business, but without the daily headaches of running it. Let's break down the basics. Choosing stocks is a bit like shopping for groceries. You want quality, but you also want a good deal. When you buy stocks, you're looking for companies that show promise for growth or stability. It's not just about picking a popular brand name. Look at a company's earnings, its position in the industry, and its potential for future growth. Use these factors to determine if a stock is a good buy. Now, here's a term you might have heard before: diversification. It's like the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. In the stock market, this means don't invest all your money in one company or even one industry. Spread your investments across different sectors and companies. This reduces the risk of losing money if one company or sector takes a hit. And what about potential returns? Well, the stock market has historically returned an average of 7% per year. But remember, the market can fluctuate, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. That's why it's important to be patient and think long-term. Investing in stocks is not about making a quick buck, it's about growing your wealth over time. Finally, let's talk benefits. Investing in stocks can provide income through dividends, which are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. Plus, as your stocks appreciate in value, you build wealth that can help secure your financial future. So there you have it, folks. Investing in stocks can be a powerful way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience, research, and diversification, it can be a profitable venture. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing, a passive income stream with unlimited earning potential. Now you might be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept, really. You promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a middleman, but the beauty is you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service. Choosing products to promote is an essential part of the process. You'll want to pick items that align with your personal brand or interests. If you're into fitness, for instance, you might promote workout gear or health supplements. If tech is more your speed, you might choose to promote the latest gadgets or software. The key is to choose products you're passionate about and that your audience will find valuable. But why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, there are several benefits to this business model. For one, it's a low-cost way to start a business. You don't need to invest in product development or inventory. All you need is a platform to promote the products, like a blog or a social media account. Secondly, it's a great way to generate passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links, they can continue to earn you money even when you're not actively working. That's right, you could be earning money while you're sleeping, on vacation, or even while you're binge-watching your favorite show. Finally, affiliate marketing is flexible. You can work from anywhere, at any time. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can work on your own schedule. So, if you're looking for a business model that's low-cost, flexible, and has the potential for passive income, affiliate marketing might be the ticket. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to earning potential. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money while you sleep. So there you have it, 4 money-making ideas you can start today. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, we dove into the world of dropshipping, a business model that allows you to operate an online store without ever holding inventory. It's all about finding the right supplier and marketing your products effectively. Next, we touched on freelancing. With more and more businesses outsourcing tasks, the opportunities for freelancers are abundant. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, there's a high demand for skilled individuals. We then explored investing in stocks, a classic way to build wealth over time. While it requires a bit more financial savvy, the potential returns can be substantial. Remember, diversification and patience are your friends here. Lastly, we discussed affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. It's all about finding a product you love and sharing it with others. Each of these ideas presents unique opportunities to generate income and achieve financial freedom. The beauty of it is you can start today. It's all about taking that first step and committing to the journey. Remember, the key to financial success is taking action. So start today and watch your wealth grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Motivational Grand Rising, and if you enjoyed watching, please tap the like and use the all in the drop-down menu. Thank you for watching.